Good afternoon. Welcome to Literature 1 class. As I said last week, Literature 1 centers on drama. Then in our last week class, we discussed the origin of drama. Then we also defined the concept of drama. So this afternoon, we're looking at the origin of the Roman drama. When we talk about the Roma, these are two primary words. Simply means Greek and Rome or Roman drama. That's what we simply mean by the Roman. So we're looking at this history or the historical evolution of drama from two angles. We're looking at the ritual origin of the Roman drama. We'll be looking at the political origin of the Greco-Roman drama. From the zero ground, the first origin of the Greco-Roman drama is traceable to the ritual aspects or the tradition. The tradition of the people. So it is a tradition of the people of Greece that every year they assemble themselves and honor their gods and goddess every year. So in the course of this, they usually sacrifice what we call goats in the course. So this art became a norms. This art became a process. It was in the course over the years that they have been doing this for century to until 5th BC century that Icarus look at this course and ask, hey, this thing that they have been doing, that they inherited from their progenitors, it is called drama. This serves as the Greco-Roman origin of drama, that is Greek and Rome. And this happened during the monarchical system. Before Greek and Rome employed what we call a republican system of administration to legislate over their people or to legislate in their environment. So this happened then. And as a matter of fact, drama originated from Greek city-states, particularly Athens, and the Romanian scholars who live in Athens, Argo, Corinth, imitated this art or this process. And then after some years, they traveled down to Rome and then put it into practice. So, and at that time, Rome was a center of commercialization. As a matter of fact, anyone that lived during that period before Jesus Christ and Muhammad were born, and the fellow did not visit Rome, and the fellow have not come to the world, because Rome was like America today. That was Rome then. So that was what happened. Then the second origin of the Greco-Roman drama, which is the political aspect. Under this, we simply read the socio-political origin of drama. That is, the social in this aspect has to do with the society. Etymologically, Greek concentrates their efforts into education. And that's why if we talk about the origin of the word education, it's traceable to the Greek state called Ijmb, which simply means to train. And what happened then was that the Greeks were neglected in the administration of Rome, because the Roman Empire was made up of different kingdoms, different cities, different villages, different towns. Then they all have their representative at the central government, which was in Rome at that time. So during this course, Greek has no representatives at that time. So they decided to concentrate their effort on learning, training, which we first took as today as education. So it was the course. Although this period, they now devote their time to discovery of things, and that eventually leads to drama. So it was during this period also most of the Romanian senators and indigenous who now live in Greek city-state at that time also imitated the idea. And the way they now return to their environment, particularly Rome, they now displace the knowledge. So it is very funny to separate Rome from Greek, or separate Greek from Rome, because they had similar historical development. We will talk about the origin of drama and the origin of concepts. So in our next class, we'll be looking at the stages or periods in development of drama. Thank you.